Tax plan passes, markets meander around. What's up, everybody? It's time for Bubba's Daily Update, and of course, the tax plan did pass overnight, and we're just waiting for one final vote, but that should be a no big deal vote because it's the House. It's going back to the House. But at the end of the day, the markets accepted the tax plan, but did not get crazy and go straight up. In fact, they broke hard off of the first initial announcement, and of course, especially the NASDAQ, which went from up about 20 ticks to down about 40, which actually got clobbered and then came back. But regularly, what we're seeing is basically a rotation around the mean. Not a lot of excitement. I still think that the tax plan was pretty much priced in. I don't think that it's as exciting as it's being made out to be. And I think that a lot of things have already been taken accounted for in these markets. Now, if you look at what we're seeing here is a market drifting around, but I still would believe that there's a real good chance that we see 25,000 before the end of the week. I think that's just kind of a fait accompli. But we've seen bonds get clobbered, which means interest rates are rising, which is natural. We've expected that. We saw a little bit of a bump in the grain markets today where wheat and corn were higher. Soybeans are still struggling, which again, not really a total surprise. Those are kind of the trades we're looking for. The meats, feeder cattle fell out of bed and broke pretty hard, but I think that's just finding a bottom. This might be a great opportunity to take a look and step in. Hogs pushed up off of that 66 level. So everything's kind of as we have planned and as we have looked for. I think what we're looking for now is really just a quiet markets until the rest of the year. I don't think there's anything really to jump in on that you can really sink your teeth in. You saw Apple make new highs yesterday, came down a little bit today. Amazon's lower, Google's lower. So there's a lot of things lower, including Facebook. So at the end of the day, I think you're really just in a churning market, that the last objective of the year will see 25,000 to print on the Dow. As every pundit and everybody else is so bullish the markets like this time is different. We all know this time is not different. The markets are the markets. Gold made a nice move today, pushed back above that 1265 and tried to get through 1270 and meandered around there. Between the bonds and gold and the dollar, we're seeing some action that is actually would indicate there might be some fear. Bitcoin fell about 1,200 points at this particular time at the CME. So there's just a lot of mixed signals being sent by the market, which is why we're saying sometimes it's better just to observe and stay on the outside looking in instead of trying to dive in here. Certainly if you're trading on the short term, you can trade those anytime if you're trading the blow-off patterns. But at the end of the day, I think we're much better off exhibiting some patience and observation. And just to remind you, we are also trying to teach these to our high school kids and hopefully we can bring the next generation to have some financial literacy. If you check out myhighschoolinvesting.com, you can go to see what that's all about and then go to patreon.com/Bubba Trading. If you want to help us out, that would be great. We look forward to it. And don't forget to get to the Bubba Show every single day from 2 to 3 Eastern at libertytalk.fm. You can also download the show from there if you miss it. And of course, there's a bowl game tonight, so we got to make our selection. Our selection will be SMU for tonight. That's it for today's Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Take care.